guys, how's it going? We're at Mutuo today, hey Angel. And we had the sprint review. It wasn't our best sprint, I think it was our worst one. I got really behind schedule because of the Play Store account configuration in order to be able to publish our app to the Play Store. I'm still having the issue regarding the account verification, the address specifically. And right now we're having a discussion that we want you guys to take part in. So Angel believes, and there's an issue, well, we agree in certain things, we disagree in some other ones. We have this issue in a couple of forms inside the application. So, for example, in this page of him, he has a list of materials that the user needs to select in order to, to assign them to a task. And he wants a pop-up to appear in front of the page as a component, like this one. This was his original idea. I tried to do it before because I have a similar issue here. So, for example, I have, the user needs to select a list of users that are going to be assigned to a project. So, for example, I have this page that it requires the user to select different kinds of things for the project. Right now, what I'm doing is just making the user press a button, and then a page will open asking the user to select the different users that are going to be assigned to this project in particular. I mean, I agree with Angel that it's better to have a component and just a pop-up and then transfer the information back to the page. But when I tried to do it, I couldn't. So he's a little bit stubborn, and he really wants to use a component, but right now he just displayed the list from inside the page. This is the other option. But what do you guys think? Do you think it's better to have a component and just a pop-up in front of the form in the same page, or it doesn't matter if the user just navigates to a different page and then selects the information they need, and then they go back to the page before? Because right now it works like this. I can add the project, and when I click on the assign users, I select the different users. This organization only has one, for example, but once I confirm the selection, I get the selection back, and then I just enter all the other information from the project. So this is what I'm actually testing, but we don't know. Say, Angel.
But in my defense, I could say that opening a new page and then coming back to it, to the last one, would be a disruption of the user experience, and keeping it all in the same page will make my form very large. So yeah, I wanted to open a pop-up, but I don't know how to make it work.
Well, what I'm saying is just he can try it and just test it, see if he can make it work. I think it's going to be a better solution. But I couldn't when I tried, so let's see if he can, and then we'll just implement it that way, if you can do it. Because I agree with him in the user experience thing. It was just too hard in order to transfer the information between pages, but maybe we can do it, who knows. We'll just get back to work, and I'll see you guys in the next video. In my case, because of the Play Store account configuration, in order to be able